going.
Hi, this is Caleb.
And this is Ben.
And we are the King Cubers. And today, we're going to be talking about our cube collection. So first, Caleb is going to solve the Kung Fu Panda 5 2x2. It has great corner cutting and is not very poppable. As you can see, Caleb is very fast at solving the 2x2. Next, we have King Tut's Pyramid. Caleb is also professional at solving the King Tut's Pyramid. Next, we have Pandora's Box.
This one's my favorite.
Caleb will now solve Pandora's Box. Next, we have Satan's Cube, the 6x6x6. Did you know Caleb actually invented the Rubik's Cube? Next we have the 5x5. This is the Diane Zushan Zoshan 5x5 cube. Very rare. Only found in the deepest jungles of China. This is the invisible 4x4. It looks like a 2x2, but it is actually a 4x4. Next we have my personal favorite, the 8x8. Much like the 4x4, half of the cube is invisible to the naked eye. Only dogs can see it, as it is too high of a pitch for humans to see. Finally, we have three 3x3s. The first 3x3 is the Ding Dong Schling Slong Shabalama Bing Bong 3x3. Next we have the original Rubik's Cube, invented by Miss Kaylin Bornwine herself. Rubik's Cube was named after her boyfriend, Ben Rubik, which is me. Isn't she the sweetest? It is now my honor to turn the time over to Caleb for the last cube explanation. Here you go, Caleb. Take it away.
This is called the Rubik's Cube. Here you go, Ben.
Alright, that is all for us. Make sure you like and comment and subscribe
And like and comment.
and subscribe and comment and
And
like
And follow Ben on Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr.
and Pinterest
And Bisco.
and MySpace.